Hello students, today we are starting new chapter number 13. In this chapter we will learn about powers, exponents and their rules. The multiplication of a number by itself several times can be expressed in the same notation. This is known as exponent. To understand this, come to the exercise 13.1. Let's see question number 1, A part. 2 raised to power 4. It means 2 multiply 4 times. Here base is 2 and power is 4. So the product is 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16. Come to the B part. 5 raised to power 2. 5 multiply 2 times. So answer will be 25. Okay. One more question will take. एक नेगेटिव जे पार्ट नेगेटिव वाला ले लेते हैं हम, वेयर बेस इज नेगेटिव, here power is 4. So here multiply by 4 times negative number. So here base is negative, so their product will be depend on their power. If power is even number, so their product is positive. If power is odd number, so their product will be negative. So here power is even number, so 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, तो 16 पॉजिटिव होगा. ओके, so do remaining sum in practice notebook. Come to the question number 2. In question number 2 there is a table and question is fill in the boxes. I am explaining a part. 3 raised to power 3. So here base is 3 and exponent is 3 and expanded form 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and value 3 3 जा 9 3 जा 27. तो इसी तरह से बी सी डी आपको कंप्लीट करनी है टेबल. इट इज़ योर प्रैक्टिस वर्क. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ए पार्ट. 5 raised to power 3. It means 5 multiply 3 times and answer is 5 5 ja 25 and 25 5 ja 125. And B part, base is negative and their power is odd number. So minus 2 multiply 3 times and because power is odd number, then answer, so product will be negative. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8. It is answer. In question number 3 I explained only 2 parts because remaining parts are same as A and B. So come to the question number 4 A part. 3 upon 2 raised to power 3. So it means 3 upon 2 multiply by 3 times and 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8. Now B part, minus 3 upon 6 is power 5. So here 3 upon 6, 3 is factor of 6, so 3 1 ja and 3 2 ja. So here base is minus upon 2. So minus upon 2 multiply 5 times because power is 5 and base is negative. So product will be, power is odd number, so product will be negative. So 1 upon 2, 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 2 ja 32. Answer. One more part I am explaining in question number 4. Minus 9 upon 7 raised to power 3. So minus 9 upon 7 multiply minus 9 upon 7 multiply 9 minus 9 upon 7. So 9 multiply 3 times 729, and 7 3 times, and because base is negative and power is odd number, so product will be negative. This is your answer. I am explaining only 3 parts, and remaining parts are same as these 3 parts. Okay, so do yourself. Now last question, question number 5, A part, 1 upon 125, and question is convert into power notation. It means 125 को हमें पावर में कन्वर्ट करना. सो हम इस तरह से पावर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड मीन्स एलसीएम मेथड. हम इसको सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. यू नो एलसीएम मेथड. Here 5 3 times. It means 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. So 1 upon 5 is power 3. In short, when numerator is 1, so we will write here 1 upon 5 is power 3. Answer. Okay. One more different part. We will do question number C part. Okay. Minus 27 upon 125. So 125 you have seen in the previous question. See here. And 27 को हम see prime numbers means 3 9 जा, 3 3 जा, and 3 1 जा. It means minus sign 3 upon 5 is power 3. Answer. Now I am explaining last part, G part, 1 upon 10,000. So it is 1, we'll write here 10. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4. So here 1 upon 10 raised power 4. Because numerator is 1, so we'll write like this. Very simple question. So your 13.1 exercise is over. So students, see homework. Do these questions in practice notebook, and in next class I will explain 13.2 law of exponent. So be ready. Thank you. Have a nice day.